57. That's the percentage of accounting professionals who actually undercharge for their services. Basically, if you are an accounting professional and you realize that your rates don't reflect your value, you end up tolerating a lot because you avoid conflict, maybe you never raise the prices on your legacy clients, then pay attention. I'm Loren Fogelman, and I am a price and profit coach for accounting professionals. Basically, I show you how to double your income while working half the time. So many accounting professionals end up with what I call an upper limit challenge. This is where they're maxed out. They can't earn anymore because they've maxed out on their time. There's no more left to give. They've sacrificed too much and they're already dealing with burnout. Fortunately, a solution exists so you no longer feel like your accounting practice is running you. Instead, you're now taking charge and running your practice. That's when you earn more and you no longer have to deal with burnout. If that interests you, then go ahead and grab my free resource to calculate your new rates today at businesssuccesssolution.com/calculator. Once again, grab my free resource to calculate your rates today. Go now to businesssuccesssolution.com/calculator. Loren Fogelman, showing accounting professionals how to double their income while working half the time.